In today's video, we're going to take a look at the stock EOG. Now, what I want to do is show you what the last decision was and then what the next decision is, because we do want to take this work from one decision to the next. The last decision that we had was actually a counter trend buy decision that came in from projecting symmetry of a prior swing here that also just happened to overlap a 1618 extension of another swing. Okay, and that area did end up hitting, holding, triggering a buy entry, and there was also some timing factors there. So timing was coming together that also suggested a bounce at that time. But now this is where we run into a big hurdle on the way up. Now the hurdle comes from the fact that we have a 618 retracement of the prior high to low swing. It comes in right around the 95.82 area. But I also have 100% of this prior rally swing that was $7.62 projected from this low, overlaps that 618 beautifully. And then it also overlaps another retracement of the larger swing. It's 382 of, honestly, I don't know if it was the larger swing or this internal swing or this full swing, but bottom line, we have three key price relationships here. So if we're taking this from one decision to the next and the resistance comes in 95.82 to 96.29, you got to look at it this way. If this low is more important in the bigger picture, we need to push through this resistance in order to continue. And if we don't, because of this symmetry, we do have a chance to fail and at least get a trade off of this resistance decision. Okay, maybe you just get a pullback off of this area, maybe it just pulls back and retraces and then resumes the rally. Anything's possible, but what I don't know is what exactly it's going to do. What I do know is that we do have definition of risk. Okay, and for example, if we wanted to look at the short side, because we have not been able to clear this resistance, we should define our risk above this area of 95.82 to 96.29. So that's something that I want you to watch in the next couple of sessions. If we end up pushing through that same resistance instead, then you can definitely see a continued rally from the May 4th low instead.